welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Ave. In today's video, I will be attempting to do a bang and top knot look. I feel like this look is perfect for Valentine's Day, if you're going out or if you're going on a first date with somebody real quick, whatever. I think this look is going to look very good. I've been seeing it go all over the internet and I've been wanting to try it. And since I have my new wig on or whatever, I'm gonna go ahead and test it out on this wig and see if we can recreate the look that I've been seeing all over Instagram. So before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel already, and then be sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And let's begin the process. As you can see, I'm starting off with a fresh little, you know, straighten look or whatever. And you guys, I absolutely love this hair. I love how natural it looks. I'm just still struggling when it comes to actually applying a lace front wig. Like, you guys, YouTubers make it look easy, but it was a struggle for me. Anyways, so what I'm gonna start off with is I'm going to go ahead and like create maybe like a triangle part right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and take the bangs out of the way first, or you know, move them out of the way, and then we'll go ahead and start styling the wig to go into a ponytail. Now, I've never done a ponytail with a wig before. This is probably I'm gonna try to focus on making it a lot more messier so it still looks realistic and it looks like it's growing out my scalp or whatever. So that's what we're gonna try to do, and let's do it. If at first you don't succeed, try and try again. So we're not trying again, this is our first attempt, but let's just hope it goes well. So like I said before, the first thing I'm doing here is I'm going to part like a triangle, basically sectioning off the hair that I want to use as my bang. I'm gonna try to create like a triangle type of effect. So here is the first part. I don't know if you guys could see that, but that's the first part. Kind of has like a little curve to it. I guess maybe a semicircle instead of a triangle we're trying to make here. I feel like this is enough here. What do y'all think? So right now I'm just checking to see if they're about the same size. So I have here kind of like a rounded look. I don't know if you guys could see that. I was going for a triangle, but I don't know, this looks fine. So I think I'm gonna try to do the same thing back on this side. Yeah, so I think this is enough. I'm hoping it's not too much hair. We're gonna find out together. And I'm basically gonna just clip this hair right here in the front of me. But I am gonna go ahead and use some water just so I can start molding the hair in the direction that I want to go. So I'm gonna just spray some water, and then I'm gonna just start kind of brushing in the direction that I want the hair to go. So far I think we're doing good. I'm gonna spray a little bit more water. Now this is a top knot. I'm not even going in the top knot direction yet, but I'm just trying to mold the hair to be able to do the top knot. Kind of what I want to do, since I kind of have the hair molded already, is I'm going to start from up here first and pretty much try to create that top part up here first, and then mold the rest of the hair in the same way as this section. So pretty much this is kind of an indicator of where you want your top knot to kind of be. It could be further back if you want it to be like that, but I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing to kind of have my indicator of kind of where I want my top knot to be, so now I can focus the rest of the hair to go up in that direction as well. So now I'm just going to add sections to that portion and just keep, again, molding the hair until it's to your desired tightness, to your desired height. I'm going to go ahead and brush or wet. Sorry, camera. I hope I didn't wet the camera now. Sorry, y'all. Okay, I hope it's not blurry. I can't tell. Okay. liking. Okay, so now that we somewhat got this messy bun, you know, somewhat together in terms of some type of neatness, because again, this is a messy bun, so we're not going for nothing too crazy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split the hair in half, and I'm gonna take this little section and gonna wrap it. And we're going to bring this piece to the back, and I'm just going to kind of wrap the hair around itself as if you did like a braided ponytail or something and you wanted to hide like the hair that you used. And then in the back, I'm going to go ahead and pin the hair down. So with a bobby pin, just going to pin that section of hair. Okay, so now with the section that we left out, I'm gonna comb right through it. I'm using the Tool Science curling rod, and I'm just gonna start from right here, and I'm gonna attempt to try. I want to really do a loose curl, but it don't look like it's about to be loose. All right, let's see how we did, y'all. I'm so nervous. It's super curled, and it has like this little, like, I don't know how to explain it. Maybe I went too high. Maybe I went too high. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, we're gonna try this again. I don't want this type of curl. Let's try the other side. I don't know how I feel about this side yet, so let's just keep going. Okay. This is fun, trying something new that I never tried before on a wig. I've never done this before, guys, so thanks for rocking with me. If you're still here on this video, this is not a tutorial. This is an attempt. I am not teaching y'all. I'm just showing y'all what I did, but I'm pretty sure this is probably not even the right way to do this. But say hi to the camera.
Hi, sweetheart.
I know.
Oh, you did pictures? You took any?
Well, I'm not even done. How am I gonna take pictures? This is hard. I'm trying to figure out what way I want to curl the hair. I think I did it. I don't know. I'll take it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't be afraid to try new things. You might not like it the first time you do it, but that doesn't mean that you can't give it a try again. I am going to attempt to try this again with this exact same wig, and hopefully it comes out looking a lot better. But like I said before, I am proud of myself for at least trying. If it's Valentine's Day and you've never done this look before, I wouldn't advise you to do it, just because you don't want to be like a whole hour late to your shindig. But if you do want to try it, practice first and then try to do it for Valentine's Day if you guys would like, but I just wanted to try something new here on my channel for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna stop rambling for real this time. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post on YouTube. Here we go with these doggone gnats. Here we go. Here we go. Dude, that took forever. What kind of curl do I want? I want it to be more like... You guys, that is so cute. I don't want two pieces. I want one piece. Y'all. But are you gonna just watch me record? Okay, I guess she is. For the record, you guys, my mom is literally right there.